Imagine waking up to a pillow full of your hair every morning. I used to live that nightmare and I did not know what to do. But look at my hair now. It's shiny, thick, and no hair fall. All thanks to these simple DIY hair masks that I'm going to share with you. When I first realized I was losing hair, I was so embarrassed, and every time I showered or combed, I could see these big clumps of hair everywhere, and I just did not know how to react to that because I started feeling much older than my age, and along with my hair, even my confidence was going down the drain. So I'm going to share with you my special DIY hair masks that have helped me regain my thick, shiny and beautiful hair back. So let's jump right in. Banana hair mask. So I'm going to start with the banana hair mask because personally this is what has worked wonders for me. It's very simple to make, and the best part is it uses common household ingredients. This is what you will need. You will need 2 ripe bananas, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and 1 tablespoon of honey. And here's how you make it. Peel the bananas and put them in a bowl. Mash them up with a fork. Add the oils to the bowl and mix. It should now form a smooth paste. Apply the mixture to your scalp and hair. Leave this on for 5 minutes and then wash it with lukewarm water. This works perfectly because bananas are rich in antioxidants, potassium, natural oil and vitamins, which make it the perfect treatment for hair fall. Additionally, bananas are cheap and available all around the year. Coconut and olive oil moisturize the hair and scalp and prevent breakage. Honey strengthens hair follicles and prevents dandruff and eczema. Banana and almond oil mask. This is another mask that uses my all-time favorite ingredient, bananas. Only this time we'll be combining it with almond oil. Here's what you will need. 2 bananas and almond oil. To make it, take 2 bananas and mash them into a smooth paste. To this paste, add 5 to 8 drops of almond oil. Mix till it's incorporated well. Apply to your hair. Tie it up and cover it with a shower cap for an hour. Rinse with cold water and use a mild shampoo. Follow it up with a lot of conditioner. Almond oil is rich in magnesium, vitamins and fatty acids which promote hair growth and prevent hair fall. The yogurt hair mask. This is as effective as the banana hair mask, except if you have dry hair then you might prefer the yogurt hair mask. Here's what you'll need to make it. You will need 1 cup of yogurt, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar and 1 tablespoon of honey. To make the yogurt hair mask, mix the ingredients in a bowl. Apply the mixture from the roots to the tips of your hair. Keep it on for 15 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. This works because yogurt is rich in vitamin B, vitamin D and proteins that make it an essential ingredient in preventing hair fall. Apple cider vinegar, on the other hand, consists of acetic acid, which makes it an antimicrobial. It kills germs and bacteria that cause hair fall. If you have frizzy hair, then this mask is perfect for you. It even prevents graying of hair, which is an added advantage. Here's what you will need to make this mask. You will need Sattva Premium Hair Oil, 1 egg yolk and 2 tablespoons of honey. To make this hair mask, crack 1 egg and separate the yolk. Then add Sattva Premium Hair Oil and honey. Mix it well. Apply from the roots down to your tips. You can wash it off within an hour using a mild shampoo and conditioner. This mask can be used once in a week. I love using Sattva Premium Hair Oil because this amazing product is a combination of oils like olive, castor, almond, grapeseed, jojoba and so many more. It contains omega-6 and 9, iron, calcium, magnesium, rare vitamin K and much more, which not only prevent hair fall but also promote hair growth. Egg yolks are loaded with vitamin A and D, biotin, folate and much more. These strengthen the hair follicle and roots, promoting hair growth. Honey is a rich moisturizer that prevents drying out, thus preventing hair loss. Curry leaves and coconut oil hair mask. Yes, curry leaves and coconut oil make more than just a tasty curry. They can also prevent hair loss. Here's what you need to do. You will need 10 to 12 fresh curry leaves and 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. To make this mask, add the coconut oil to a pan and heat it on the stove. Then add the curry leaves and wait till they pop. Take off the stove and wait till it cools. Apply the warm oil to your scalp and hair. You can keep it on for 20 minutes and then rinse off with a mild shampoo. This works because curry leaves contain beta-carotene and proteins. Coconut oil, on the other hand, contains fatty acids which are perfect to prevent hair loss. You should use this mask twice a week for best results. So there you have it, my top DIY hair masks for hair fall. Regardless of what hair texture or hair type you have, these masks are guaranteed to work for you. But these masks can't do all the work on their own. To help them out, make sure you have a balanced diet that is rich in proteins. Hair is essentially made out of proteins, so the more proteins you include in your diet, the stronger your hair will be. Avoid stress. Stress is one of the leading factors of hair fall. If you're in a stressful environment or situation, take a break, listen to music, or do something you love. Wash your hair only twice or thrice a week with a shampoo. Overusing of shampoo can lead to dryness, which makes your hair brittle and prone to breakage. Lastly, make sure you keep your hair away from sun rays, dust, and pollution. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked it and found it useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.